So that was the difficult part.
The moment of truth comes now.
Yeah, there, yeah.
Almost like in the video.
Something is wrong with it.
You took it a little bit wider.
I took it a little bit wider. Oh,
So
okay.
Push it this way. Push it this way a little bit because this one is too tight.
Well, when you put the other one in the joint, you wind up with the joint.
You good? Okay, normally we would have these little clips in here if we didn't have the joint profile. And one nice thing about these panels is, when you pick them up off of the pallet, you can just take them like this. There's a little edge here that you can hold them on when it's broken. It's that easy.
How long was that video?
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
How many square feet?
Yeah, right.
Four by 3, 12 square feet in 3 minutes. And I'm not an installer.
But we're inside. We're inside. We're not hanging off of a scaffolding or something.